Texas-based Delorean Motor Company slated to bring the pinnacle of 80s excess into 2017. Thanks to the laws regarding vintage car replicas being exempt from national safety standards, we will finally get brand new DeLorean DMC-12s. The revived Delorean Motor Company kicked off in 1995, and supplied restoration parts to DeLorean enthusiasts around the world. With the surplus of new old stock, NOS, goodies, it eventually made sense for the new DeLorean Motor Company to start refurbishing these aging icons in-house, and selling them off to customers. However, the recent law change has added a new twist to that formula, and spurred the introduction of 300 new units from 2017 to 2021, conveniently just falling inside the new 25-year-old replica car rule. DeLorean Motor Company's Vice President, James Espy, took time to talk with us about the updated DMC-12 power. Well, this is where the replica car law gets thrown back to the future. Only approved, current production engines are allowed for use in the reproduction units, and right now we are looking at the Chevrolet LS3 as the only engine that meets that stipulation. While the LS3 is a small big leap from the 2.85-liter PRV in terms of power, it also is substantially bigger. DeLorean is also currently in talks with manufacturers of prominent V6 engines, but couldn't comment further. The interior will also get a breath of modernity thanks to air conditioning from vintage air, updated consumer electronics, and more comfortable seating. Primarily, SP